Hello everyone, today I am going to explain row echelon form of a matrix. If the following condition prevails, it has to satisfy two conditions, that is all the zero rows are below non-zero rows. There are three examples here. These numbers are called as non-zero. Okay, now the zero should be below non-zero. You can see here. Fine. Here also these are non-zero and these are zero. These are non-zero and these are zero. Fine. Now the second condition is the first non-zero entry. Okay, this is the first non-zero entry in any non-zero row. Okay, should be 1. The first entry is 1 here. Here also the first entry is 1. In this row the first entry is 1. If you see this example, the first entry is 1, the first entry is 1 here, and you don't have any non-zero here. Here non-zero, the first entry is 1, here non-zero, the first entry is 1. I hope you understood the definition clearly. Now comes rank of the matrix. It is denoted by row of A. The rank of matrix A, assume any of the matrix, in its echelon form is equal to number of non-zero rows. If I consider this one, this is non-zero row, this is non-zero, this is non-zero. Okay, so the rank of matrix of this is 3. So if I talk about this is non-zero row, this is non-zero row, but this is 0. So the rank of matrix will be 2, because in these 2 rows you have non-zero. This is last row is 0. If I talk about this, so these 2 are non-zero. This last one is 0. Let us solve few sums. Find a rank of matrix by elementary row transformation. Now given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now let's start. Write first row as it is. Okay. Now second row you need to make 0. So R2, this is row 2. So write R2 minus 2 into R1 will make this row as a 0. Now 3 minus 2 2s are 4 will become minus 1. 5 minus 2 3s are 6. Again it will become minus 1. 1 minus 2 2s are 4. This will become minus 3. Now R3, I have to make this as a 0. So it is R3 minus R1. R1, okay, row 1. Because row 2 is changing. Fine. 1 minus 1 will become 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Fine. Now again I want to make these elements as a 0 now. So this is R3 row. Okay, I'll write here R3 plus R2, because this is not changing, this row is not changing. Fine. Write first row as it is, write second row also as it is. Okay, 0 minus the 0 plus 0, 0. 1 minus 1 will become 0. 1 minus 1 will become 0. 3 minus 3 will become 0. Fine. So as per the definition, the first entry should be 1, but there is a minus 1 here. So this is R2. I have to multiply this by minus 1. If I multiply this whole by minus 1, write first row as it is, 0, minus into minus, 1, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the rank of matrix is non-zero rows. This is non-zero row, this is also non-zero row. So there is 2. Now second question. 0, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 8, 13, 12. This is the matrix. There should not be a 0 in the first row. So I am going to write here R1 interchanging with R2. Fine. So this will become, this R2 will go to R1 and R1 will shift to R2. Okay. Because 0 should be below the non-zero, as I have told you in the definition. Now keep R1 as it is. R3 here, make this element as a 0. So R3 minus 2 into R1. So row 1 write as it is, row 2 write as it is. 4 minus 2 2s are 4, so it will become 0. 8 minus 2 3s are 6, it will be 2. 13 minus 5 2s are 10, this will be 3. 12 minus 2 4s are 8, this will be 4. Fine. You can see R2 and R3 both are same. So what I am going to do is R3 tends to R3 minus R2. First row as it is, no change. Second row as it is, no change. So 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 4. Okay. As per the definition, the first entry should be 1. So how to make it 1? So 1 divided by 2, R1. In the row 2, divide by 2. Fine.